Hey guys, Walter here. I'm thinking about doing something called plain talk, where we talk about different things. Today, it's about this 4.5 Stanley wartime era 4.5 Smoother. Oh, look at that. That blade's set nice. Out of the box, all I did was take the blade out, shipbreaker, and almost immediately I know why the person was selling it. They had the blade and cap iron together backwards. So they had it in bevel up. Well, we all know that's wrong. It was out of square by 1/8 of an inch and just very badly pitted on the back or face of the blade. So what I did was took it to the grinder, and for unplugged woodworkers that's a bad word, but when you have to remove 1/8 of an inch of metal on one side, you need to do what you need to do. Took it to the grinder, put a 25-degree primary on it until it was perfectly square. Took it to the diamond plates, 300, 1,000, 4,000, and then stropped with Tormek honing paste on glass with a piece of paper between it. Thanks to Jim Hendricks. That's a neat trick, Jim. So, while it's not a 16,000 grit Shapton, it obviously can handle whatever I want it to do. This is tulip poplar, a little bit harder one than I'm used to. Has a little bit of curly grain in there, some sapwood out here. Sapwood cuts different than heartwood. The texture's different. In tulip poplar, the green heartwood is my favorite. It just works beautifully. So, the bottom is not perfectly flat. Still has a little bit of work. I just touched it to some 120. I was getting almost a complete face there, and in front, the toes were touching, the back corners were touching. It's good enough for right now. So, if you have any questions, send me a message. I'm glad to answer them. This is an edition, a Friday edition of Plain Talk with your buddy Walter. Go make some shavings. Walter out.